Hello my friends, my name is Paul Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, and here you can see the new package what I get. This is the antenna analyzer. Mini 60S is the model, or SARK Mini 60S, and I want to show you how it looks like, how it works, and just a little maybe a little review of this equipment. So let's go open and we'll see what's inside. Well, so we have the foil here. Here is the analyzer and empty foil and two connectors. Okay. Well, so it's time to show you the analyzer. Analyzer is quite heavy. And it looks very small. Wow, looks really nice. It's made completely from a metal. I think it's the steel, and we see here the mini USB connector. Here is the charging socket, 6 buttons, display, the switch button here, and also the antenna connector. Well, so it looks really nice. Let me show you what is the weight of this equipment. Okay, 226 grams. Okay, so it's such a small equipment but heavy. Okay, the measuring, it's 9.5 centimeters is the height. Width is 5.5 and thickness can be around 2.5 centimeters. Yeah, as you see that it perfectly fit in my hand, so it's really small. Okay, and here you had seen the two connectors. The first one is for a DC wire or DC cable. You have to do it by yourself, and the second one has a little tail in the back. This tail, or this little wire here, is the Bluetooth antenna, because this equipment has internal Bluetooth module and it's completely made of steel, as I said before. So you have to use some kind of antenna, and the antenna is shared by the DC plug. The central internal pin on the DC plug is shared with this Bluetooth antenna. So when you want to use the Bluetooth, you have to use this plug, and if you using a USB connector connected to the PC, the Bluetooth will be switched off. Okay, so you don't you are not able to use this equipment with Bluetooth and with the mini USB connector together. Okay, and let's go switch on this thing. Well, you can see here on the screen frequency 14100. You see here the SWR and also impedance. Okay, and the 6 buttons here below the screen. We have to use a mode button if you want to see another features. Yeah, you can see the impedance here. Then you can see the capacitance or inductance, and then off. If you want to some settings in this device, just push the set button here, and it appear the PC link, and now you can use this device remotely by your cell phone with the Android operating system, or also you can use the Windows device, some kind of PC computer or a notebook or laptop. Okay, so the PC link, you have to push the down button, and the waiting, this device is waiting for a connection. Then we have to go out, and then you can see the step size. The step size enter with the down button, and here you can set the step size while is this equipment scanning. So 10 Hertz, 100 Hertz, 1 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, and 1 kilohertz. If you want to save, have to push the down button, and it's done. Suspend timeout, it means the power saving. If you don't use this equipment, the equipment will go to the timeout, suspend, and you can switch the delay. It's the 90-second right now, and you can switch it off completely, or set to 30 or 60 or back on 90 seconds. Set down, it's saved, and then we can go further. So you see here the calibrate. I think this device has internal self-calibrating system, but I did not try it yet. Okay, then we have the software load. I think it's the firmware loading, and then we are back on the PC link. So go away from the menu with the up button, and yeah, we are in the initial screen with the SWR and impedance. Now we can use the scan button, and it will scan frequencies, but yes, of course the antenna is not connected, so there is the error, no matching. Press any key, and we are back on the screen. Alright, and if you want to change the band, you see here on 20 meters, we are on 20 meters, so by double switch or double push on the button band, you will change your band. 15, 12, and so on. $160, 80, 40, 30, 25, and back on 20 meters. Okay, what next? Yes, you can switch the frequency manually. You don't use only scan, but you can switch manually the frequency in this device. Okay, and here is the tiny hole inside. It's the red light means charging, green will be a full charging, and low power battery, I suppose, will be blue, but I did not have this situation. Okay, and now I want to try the antenna analyzer with this original. I don't know if you see. Here is the 50 ohms dummy load in this BNC connector, and I will use this reduction between BNC connector and PL. Okay, so let's go put inside the dummy load. Okay, and see, okay, the screen is off because of the power saving. The power saving now is set on 90 seconds in activity. So push the button and you see here that the SWR is 1 and Z is 49 ohms. Yeah, if you touch the no, nothing happens. Okay, so it's almost 50 ohms and 1 SWR, so it means that this equipment measures 100% correctly, or maybe 99% correctly. Good. So now I want to show you how this equipment works with external device. I will use my Samsung Galaxy S9, and I have installed the latest version of Android system. Okay, so we are on the Android initial screen, and we have to go to Internet and put inside the address what you have in the manual and enter. Go. Okay, and now we have to waiting for the folder opening. It takes some time. It's the FTP folder. Okay, you see the FTP folder, and we have to see this application here. This is the Mini 60 Killer English application. So let's open this link, and we have to wait until this application will download. We have to download and again download. Open the file. It's asking if I want to install. Yes, of course I want to install. Okay, so application has been installed, and now we have to open this app. Great. Application is running, but before we will use this application, we have to open the Bluetooth link. We have to find the devices, Bluetooth devices, and here you see the available devices like a Mini 60S. It's here. So we will switch the Mini 60S. The pin is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Done and OK. It's pairing, and okay, is here. Mini 60 is here, so it's okay. Now we have to go to the app. So app is here, and now we will use this icon connect, and we searching for the Mini 60. It's here, Mini 60, and waiting for connecting. Was succeed. Okay, connection is succeed, and right now we have to switch the set button and PC link. Now push the down button and waiting. Okay, device is ready to scan, and now on the application you have to switch the start button. Device is scanning, and you can see the diagram on the screen. Right now you see the range from here. It's a 2 megahertz up to 32 megahertz. How you can adjust this range? It's very easy. Just you have to go up into this window, and you should set some kind of number. I tried for the full band. For the full HF band, you can use the 1500, and if you want to measure just one band, for example 14 megahertz, then you have to switch on 200 kilohertz. I will switch the frequency. It will be 14.0, and then done. We have to stop or waiting for done. Okay, and then again start. You see the diagram from 12 to 16 megahertz. Of course, it's too big, so go into this window again, and we can input 100. It's done. It's still big because we see here 13 megahertz, so we can input maybe 50. Now it's much better. The whole band is here. So let's go to 10, and now we have 14, not all. We have to adjust the frequency. The center frequency will be 14150, or no, we have to 200, 14.200. Okay, now we have almost complete band on 40 meters. So with these two windows you can adjust measuring range of this analyzer. If you push the stop button, you have to wait again when the cursor will go to the end. And now is this device stopped. Good. After measuring, you can do a screenshot if you want. Of course, in my Samsung, it is when I push together the volume button or the lower volume button and switch or power switch button together, and I will make a screenshot right now. Okay, you see here the screenshot. Open in gallery, and here we have a screenshot you can share, or what else you want to do with this image. Okay, and this very similar is it also with Windows equipments. You have to go to the folder when we want to download. You can use this Mini 60 PC. It's here. It's the second from top, and also you will need the driver like this one. And now I want to show you how this little analyzer works with the Windows 10 and the laptop. So all what you will need is this mini USB cable. One side plug into the USB socket on analyzer, of course, second on the into laptop USB. And I have to say again that when you use the USB communication, the internal Bluetooth module is off. So now I will show you the program installing. Before the setting of the software, you will need to turn on this device. Okay, you will hear the hardware connecting, and set button. Have to push the set button, and now push the down button. Until now was device not connected. Right now is connected and is waiting for a link. Now we can install the software into the computer and connect analyzer with the program. Okay, open the internet browser here and put the link from the video description here. And go to the FTP folder with the software. Download these two files. The first one is Min60 PC exe file, and the second one is Mini60 driver exe file. Download these files and then firstly run the Mini60 driver exe file. This is the driver what you need to make connection between computer and the analyzer. After download, just open the mini driver and select yes. Extract. Next. I accept. Next. The driver is ready to use. Finish. Okay. And then open the Mini60 PC exe file. It is the running program. Okay. And actually, this program is not ready to work because you will need select the correct serial port here into this window. And how you can find the correct COM port? You have to open here. You have to open the control panel. And select the device manager. Sorry, but this is in my language.
Now in this list you have to find ports, and there is one port, COM35. So your port is COM35 and you have to put the COM35 here into this window. Okay, and then open the port. Port is open, and now you just select the center frequency, scan bandwidth or stepping, or you can direct select the band what you want and turn the scanner by the single icon here. As you can see here, the antenna analyzer started working, and you see here the graph, but I am using now the 50 ohm dummy load. So you see here the blue line, it's a 50 ohm dummy load. Here you can see the ohms, impedance, and here down the red line is the SWR. SWR is also, of course, ideal 1:1. You see here the best values, what the scanner found, the center SWR, SWR, and minimal SWR is all 101. Next, you can use the SME circle here, select this window here, and start run the single button, and as you can see the scanner is also running again and the cycle is here. Okay, this program is very nice. You see here the settings and many options. You can change the colors and so many things what you need to work. It was a little review of this little equipment, a Mini 60S. It costs me only 95 euros. It's quite a good price for such a good equipment. Like it is. I hope that I helped you to decide maybe to buy this little equipment. I think it's very useful for my activities like QRP and making a QRP antennas in my shack, and it's very easy to carry this little equipment. It I think perfectly fit into pocket, and it's very useful because you can do graphic analyzing with your cell phone and also PC computer. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope to meet you next time. 73, bye bye, good luck.